Logseq versus Roam research, best note-taking tool in 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the difference between Logseq and Roam research to help you decide which one is the best note-taking tool for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is take a look at Logseq. Over here, Logseq is a privacy-focused, local-first note-taking app with an outliner-based structure and bidirectional linking. After that, it offers graph-based knowledge management, markdown-based storage, and an active open source community. Then it is completely free and allows for offline access with manual sync options. After that, let's check out Roam Research. Over here, Roam Research is a cloud-based note-taking tool with powerful AI features, real-time syncing, and advanced block referencing. Then it provides a seamless experience for collaboration and AI-powered smart queries. After that, it is a paid tool that stores data on Roam's servers. Now, which one should you choose? Pick Logseq if you need a free, private, and offline first tool with Markdown support. Pick Roam Research if you need real-time cloud syncing, AI-powered features, and collaboration tools. So that's the comparison between Logseq and Roam Research. For privacy and offline note-taking, Logseq is the best choice, but for cloud-based, AI-enhanced productivity, Roam Research is the better option. That's all for this video.